Hi, this is Matt Jackson and Kelly Stover here with the second of 5 Excel videos to help you learn how to fully utilize the capabilities of Excel. This video will be focused on how to create basic formulas. The purpose of using formulas is to have Excel do calculations for you so that you don't have to do them manually. Starting on spreadsheet 2, to write a formula we start by clicking on a blank cell and then typing an equal sign. To begin, we'll start with basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, and divisions operations. Let's suppose we want to know how much it costs to buy machines 1 and 2 and what the total cost would be. In order to do this, we click on the cell that contains the cost of machine 1. When we do this, you can see that the column and row identifier appear in the cell in which we are trying to create a formula after the equal sign. In this case, since we are adding, we would type a plus sign and then click on the cell that contains the cost of machine 10. After doing that, we would click enter and Excel does the math for us, and we find that our total cost is $31,403. If we want to make this into dollars, we can do that by clicking on the currency option from the number formatting menu. Creating formulas for subtracting, multiplying, and dividing are done the same. Multiplication is done using an asterisk and division is done using a backslash. We will let you explore those options on your own. Say we would like to know what the total cost of buying machines 10 and 11 are. Rather than rewriting the formula identical to the one we just wrote, we can copy the formula and Excel will adjust it for us. By simply clicking the lower right corner of the cell containing our formula and dragging it down to the cell below, we get that the total cost of machines 10 and 11 is $30,600. In addition to these basic math operations, formulas can also be written using math functions. Some of the more common functions used in Excel are the sum function, the minimum function, and the maximum function. To use these functions, all that you have to do is, again, start with an equal sign. This time, however, instead of clicking on a cell, we start by typing the function name after the equal sign. So suppose we want to know how much it would cost if we wanted to buy every single machine. What we can do is, after we type the equal sign, begin to type the word sum, and then click on the function in the drop-down menu that appears. The function then prompts us for our data range. In this case, it's the cost of all the machines. So we click on the cost of machine 1 and then hold Control-Shift down, and this highlights the cost of all the other machines. We then click enter and see that it would cost us roughly $1.3 million to buy every single machine. Lastly, suppose we want to know what the cheapest machine is or what the most expensive machine is. To do this, we would create a formula similar to the one above, only using the minimum and max functions. Again, we would start with an equal sign and type MIN and click on the function as it appears in the drop-down menu. We would highlight our machine cost data again and click enter and find that the cheapest machine costs $12,049. We would then repeat a similar step for the maximum function and find that the most expensive machine is $19,984. This completes the basic math video.